Back here on the baler, first load of the year, got the square baler fixed up. Remember from last year it broke, and we had to borrow the neighbors for the last day or two. But we're gonna do one load tonight and the rest tomorrow. It's about 4 o'clock. Do one load, just making sure everything works right, and we got a broken bale coming. But just making sure everything works before the big day, basically. square baling the day. This is our 4th day. Yeah, maybe it's the 2nd day. I don't remember. 2nd or 3rd day of square baling. I can't remember if we baled that other stuff in 2 or 3 days. I believe it was 2 days. So 3rd day of baling, and I'm finally starting to get some footage. We got the elevator set up front now. It was set up in the back. Here is all the hay we got in here so far. I made 1,730 bales, so 1,700 bales. And we should get another couple thousand, probably 1,000 at least, 2,000 when we're done. We got about 20 acres to bale. Now this whole area here, this whole area, that was just floor. Got these 4 layers high, and I think the rest of our hay is going to be up here. I mean, we got the elevator set up, so when we put these 4 layers in, just take the wagon, throw it out since we're right on the floor. Now we're up here. So, yeah. This up here is 7 loads of hay right here. This pen. So, no, maybe it's 9. It was 2 in the morning, and then we unloaded 6. So 8 loads in here. So about 800 bales back here. 900 bales just in this little pen here. And when we stacked this, we were along the road, and a guy came and offered to help. So we took him up on that. And he follows my channel, so that was pretty good. If you're watching, thanks for helping us again. That was awesome. But today we're gonna stack more layers. So back here, see this post and this post. From there back, it was this tall. That's how. So 2 days ago we finished small square baling, and yesterday we stacked the last 5 loads. We ended up with 2,895 bales, 105 away from 3,000. But if we had one more load of hay, we would have 3,000. I don't know if you can see how tall that is. That post way the hell up there to the floor. There used to be, here I'll show you. Let me get my flashlight on. The hell, there's a cow back here. And you just shit everything up. I honestly did not know that she was. Are you kidding me? What the hell? Anyway, from here that way, there was no hay at all. Not a single bale. Actually, to be more honest, that was the front bay. This is the back bay. Here forward, there was not a bale. This is all last year's hay. From here to there, we didn't stack on top. I thought we did, but we didn't. I was unloading, so I didn't know. But from there to there, that tall, all the way across the barn, that's all last year's hay. Here forward is this year's hay. The back is probably 2 layers, 2 to 3 layers shorter than the front. But there's a lot of freaking hay here. I can't believe there was a freaking cow back here. But that's how tall we are. 3,000 bales, pretty much, in that little area. Maybe I'll put a before picture of what it looked like, but like I said, this was all floor. If you don't believe me, well, it was. So way the hell up there. But anyway, made more small bales than we usually do. Yeah, we had the least amount of help we ever had, and we made more small square bales than we have in recent years. So most of this is pretty good quality stuff, especially these bottom 4 in the front, and then everything in the back. Because from here up, that hay did get a little bit of rain on it, not too much. Still has some leaves on it. See, that's just sun faded, whatever you want to call it. But some of the better quality hay we made in a while. So how many layers high is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 layers high. So my dad was telling me, the guy who owned the farm before, they'd stack it all the way up to the peak. That's a hell of a long ways away.